My name is Gary Nugroho. I am the film director and also the founder of Jogja Asia Film Festival.
Okay, first question. I did that before, but okay, tell me a bit through the years that you have been shooting movies. What are the most important changes you have seen in cinema in general and also in Indonesian cinema?
Yeah, yeah. Today is the new era of film in the middle of the ecosystem, the new media. Film in the ecosystem of the new media. It's not so easy because it will be so many different perspectives. Some country, for example, when the platform or OTT come, then the impact to the cinema is also big and sometimes it's decreasing. But Indonesia now is a unique case because even now the local OTT is more than 10 local OTT. The audience of cinema, people who go to the cinema is increasing. It's mean now become 70 million audience, 70 audience. The first history more bigger than import film, Hollywood film, more bigger than Hollywood film. And also, this is to the producer and the filmmaker try to make the collaboration between the cinema and the OTT. Majority film first period distribute in cinema and then to OTT. And it is like become the new system in Indonesia cinema. New formula Indonesia. And the production of film is also more bigger. For 100 in 1 year, now develop become 140 film in 1 year. It means there is a unique case in the middle of era new media with so many OTT. Local OTT is about 9 until 10 OTT local. The development of the audience is increasing.
Okay. Okay, so you are optimistic about the future because there were some countries that cinema started growing up,
Yeah.
but in a few years it
Yeah.
stopped. But what do you think about Indonesia in that regard?
Yeah, I think this in this fifth year after the pandemic, the development is very well, and if the policy on the government can create a design about the what you call the golden era of cinema in Indonesia, in the future we can not so optimistic, because the economy is also not so strong in the future and etc. But I think we still can develop our ecosystem of film because the population in Indonesia is about 230 million. And the cinema, the amount of the cinema is still very limited. It's only from the more than, for example, more than 30 provinces in Indonesia, because Indonesia have so many islands like but the cinema is only about in not more than half province, the cinema itself. Spread not more than half the province, you know. It means we still have the opportunity to develop the market. Yeah, but it depends of the situation of the economy and the politics like that.
Okay. And to get to the film finally, tell me a bit about the myth behind Samsara. What are we seeing in the film?
Yeah, after I made the Opera Jawa in 2006, with the Peter Sellers from America and all the producers, then I tried to develop like expanded cinema, film in the relation with another form of art, especially in the performance art. and I try to make more longer market. Like opera Jawa is from film, become performance art, become the performance art is also travel around the world. The film is the same from the Venetia and opening the Mozart ceremony, 250 years of Mozart opening this ini, and then go with the theater traveling to several country like to Netherlands, to Paris, and to Australia, Indonesia, and then become the installation art in Louis Vuitton in Paris. It's been one idea of opera Jawa transformed to many form of art. And I did again in Setan Jawa. But Setan Jawa is more scenic orchestra with the gamelan. In every country with different orchestra. In for example, in Melbourne Orchestra, in Berlin with the Radio Berlin Orchestra, for example. It's mean from the film to the cine orchestra and become theater again, live orchestra, vision the film. And now with the Samsara is new map because this is cine concert. The live and the music is combined between traditional music, Balinese, contemporary Balinese music with the electronic music. And it will also traveling around the world gitu. But the funding now developed for two sources. One source is from film institution or circuit funding. One is from the performance art institution or like venue like Esplanade, or now the concert hall in Perth give. Setan Jawa is also combined between several circuit funding, from the performance circuit funding, like from, for example, Bulan Festival with the in Musik Gebo, or Setan Jawa is from the Theater de Rouet, Germany, Esplanade Singapore, and then Asia Topa in Australia, for example, and filmmaker, film industry give the money. From, for example, the Cinematheque for the silent movie, for example. Then we try to develop the new map and the new way of marketing the film in the relationship with the performance art. And Samsara is like that, you know.
And how did you approach the music? How did you create this music that we hear? It's constant, essentially. So it's the whole movie is music. So
yeah. Setan Jawa is more looks like what I call is classical. But now with the new era of the electronic music, then everything must be boom, 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 boom like that, yeah. Then I try to make this is like in club, you know, club is like in venue of young people. In every club in the world, because the Gabber modus operandi is very popular. Björk collaboration with him. This way, if you heard the music, then it's like you go to the club and the cinema is there, you know, like that. You know, this is the concept of the music. You know? Yeah.
So, and you edit it depending on the music, the cuts are
no. First, they make the music from the draft scenario, and then I make the movie. I rehearsal the choreography and etc. And then we shooting. When we shooting, we change all the music, and they make the new one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the film looks that it has been rehearsed to death, essentially. I don't know. Did you have much a long time of rehearsals with the actors before the shooting? Because it seems very rehearsed, I don't know.
Not so very. We shooting only 11 days. And because majority the money for film like this is not big, you know. Setan Jawa only 9 days, for example. And the rehearsal is about 3 months. But not every, maybe in 1 week is only 1 time or 2 times.
And is there part of it improvised from the dancing? I mean, or was it all choreographed before?
Choreographed majority. Only in the main characters is some of them is improvised. Yeah.
And also there are so many traditional elements. I just noted here we have like the masks and the gamelan orchestra and traditional dance and wayang. So
Yeah.
is it like you wanted to do something like a tribute to Indonesian tradition, let's say?
Yeah, because I think majority art form, the strong art form is developed from the warisan budaya. It's like heritage, yeah. Transform the heritage become the new and new, the new and new again, you know. Transform the classical become new again is like for example.
Selamat pagi, Pak.
Hey, like for example, like all the Mahabharata performance art always successful majority, or like film the theater Ila Galigo by Robert Wilson. He used traditional, all the element traditional Indonesia. Or Lion King. The director is stay in Indonesia more than 3 years to exploration all the element of art in Indonesia. And many big, the very famous director come to Indonesia to explore all the element of the culture in Indonesia. And the culture in Indonesia still exists in everyday life. Different with another country, sometimes become only in venue or in museum or gallery. Indonesia is just part of everyday life. All that music is like everyday life. Even it is traditional, it is everyday life. It means it is contemporary because exists now.
And you shot in Bali, right?
Yes, yes.
How was the experience of shooting there?
Yeah, I've been several times in Bali. I love Bali, and all the team is. My work is as a film director, but also mentoring for many form of art. Many, for example, like big company who develop the venue for the performance art, they asked me to make the mentoring all around Indonesia. It's mean to Bali, majority this dancer I'm mentoring for several years. Majority. I'm mentoring in Papua, I'm mentoring in many areas for creativity. It is done, it is theater or it is everything. Formal art, they always pay me to become mentor all young community around Indonesia.
Okay.
There's some done still when they child. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And tell me a bit how the casting worked, and particularly how you cooperated with your actors, because I guess like for Ario Bayu, this must be like a unique way of acting. He's silent, essentially.
Yeah.
How was that?
Yeah, I always try to make simple thing, you know, because just do like traditional people, traditional theater in the world or Indonesia did it. We didn't have I make a film majority, but 7 film visual scenario. Because we are a country with oral traditional, not alphabet culture, but oral traditional.
Yeah.
It's mean just give the concept, the vision, and just give room them to develop their self. Because if you come to Indonesia like wayang orang ketoprak lah ya, it is traditional performance. Sometimes 2 hours before, 1 hour before they come and the director said today the title, for example, Ramayana, you become the Rama, you become ini. But in the oral traditional system, the important thing that we must behave all the talent is the best talent because they will be know how to develop the character. They will be know how to develop, for example, dance. They know very well the structure story. We shot the scenario. It's mean all the crew is storytelling. All the crew is part of this ecosystem. This is the important of the why I always use a traditional way to make the film, because we make the ecosystem. You know,
Okay.
like for example, one of the important artists in contemporary artists in Bali, in the middle of like 90, 30, 40, the name is Cokot. It's become the avant-garde Cokot. Because if you come to Bali, he not design, for example, he is a sculptor. He never designed something like this and he make it, if, for example, he get the roots of the trees in the river, take it and he saw, oh, the text, oh, I want to become the, for example, the fish. They just follow the texture, follow and develop that. It's mean my favorite way to direct is follow the ecosystem,
I understand.
follow the environment. It's like, berladang occupied, Indonesia, some tribe is traveling from one place to another place to plant the trees. And IM is like that,
Okay, I understand. Yes.
cultivated agriculture,
Okay.
cultivated, follow, bring the seed from one place, stay there, make one day. It's like the nomad.
I understand. But was it difficult for the actors to play this way, or was it easy for them?
They happy.
They're happy?
All are happy with the way I did it, because now with the industry of film, everything become designed, scripted, and sometimes filmmakers just only like a machine, ecosystem, not ecosystem, but a fabric, and I hate it.
I understand.
Everything is just become, and I am say to young film, why you become work in the fabric? You just element of the technology. You are not the humanity. You are not the humanity. You are not in the environment. You just only in the fabric with so many OTT, with the rule, with everything.
Okay.
And I say no to for me.
Okay.
You must be, as a director, you must be become human being, just life. Just follow the environment, part of the ecosystem and environment.
And what was the most difficult scene to shoot?
The most difficult scene to shoot is the what you call
Okay.
because they're so serious. Even they ask me to use the real knife. First time is the real knife. One time like that, no, I cannot control, because in this ceremony is access, but in the ceremony we shot the technology, and the mysticism will become there, and make everything running. But with the technology, I think I am not a medium for control the mysticism.
Okay.
I am a director of film, and I am when they use it. No, stop. I think
And is there a scene that stands out for you? Let's say a favorite scene that you really remember pleasantly.
the stand out. I am not remember the stand out, yeah, but I love the monkey,
Okay.
the monkey, not the
Yeah.
king, but the monkey, yang who always take care. Yeah, he is one of the best dancers. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And do you think that combining all these elements as you do in your movie may be kind of the future of filmmaking, you think? Or?
Yeah, I think the filmmaker will be two different journey. One is more become fabrics, because the industry, the competition too strong. They must be controlled with the so many OTT, control everything in detail, because this is the industry. The another is the new journey to develop the new way that not part of the fabricant, but become individual and unique. It's more difficult. But I think the expanded cinema, film in the relation with many form of art will be also developed in many ways. I think many director will be developed. I always in Paris with the Louis Vuitton, 1 week, Api Capong, and then me.
Really?
And then in Hosterkun, M. Yunsen, first time artist from Asia exhibition there. Installation art. First with Api Capong, second with me. Yeah, for example, it will be developed with the different kind of art form and relation with art form. This is two type of the journey. Yeah.
Okay, the next question probably will be the biggest answer you give, but can you tell me a bit about your next projects? What are you working on next? Because you seem to have 100 things happening at the same time.
I always, this year I make 3 films, but everything is short, yeah, only 10 days, 9 days, 6 days, 5 days, like that. It's like Samsara with difficult places, yeah, because the place is very difficult. The mountain, the trap, a very difficult places. Is 11 days. My new film, the about the law, yeah, about the law is 5 days. All people ask question how to make the film. Just laugh, is just do it. And if you have money, 5 rupee, just make an idea for the 5 rupee. If you have 100 rupee, just make a good idea for 100 rupee. If you have only 1 rupee, make the good idea that you can manage 1 rupee. And just do it with happy and like the cultivated agriculture, traveling.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, discuss gitu and dialogue with all the crew, make all the happy. Because I think if you feeling happy, all your body language is develop, reborn, become more new energy and new energy. If you work in the fabric,
I understand. Yeah.
this is why then I think I will be make this year will be 2 film. One is the new one I sent to the Rotterdam, yeah, and the second one is the trailer, the trailer before Samsara.
Really? That's the musical.
Yeah. The
okay.
musical. This is one very famous actor in Indonesia. Name is Nicholas Saputra, with 10 very famous actress.
Okay. A harem.
Yeah. And tells this film about the history of cinema Indonesia.
Okay. That's
From the era, the beginning era in 1910 until 199 until 2000. The history of cinema Indonesia. Period. Musical.
Well, last question, I guess, and I know the answer, but I want to ask: do you ever get tired doing so many things?
I don't know too, but I think the good meditation is work. Work is the good meditation.
Okay.
If you feeling happy, feeling it is develop your as a human in the environment. That all the work is meditation. You know, just like that. You know. I always say, why you always work. You now have the big venue in Gajah Mada, yeah. The new venue, I become the chief program.
Yeah.
That in 5th December showing there, and then and then makes several film and teaching and traveling around Indonesia. You just live like agriculture people. Agricultural people in Indonesia is very easy. You just traveling one place to another place, collaboration with all people here, collaboration. You never know about holiday or not holiday. Holiday or not holiday is the modernization. In the old era, they work, they traveling. For example, I go to Papua and follow people in Papua. In the morning, they take the fish, and they take some fruit, and they and back to the home, make some handicraft. Ya kan? Ya. They never spare it. Between work,
In the real life.
their life. No,
Yeah,
just
it's
do
the
it a cyclus of life. But the cyclus of life must be the environment itself, not a fabric. Then you didn't know when you will be rest or not rest, because make handicraft in the home, for example, for them is relaxation, not work.
I agree. I agree.
Yeah, this is why if you say that tired or not, sometimes tired as the body, yes,
Yeah.
but as the way of thinking and as a journey of life, it will be so happy.
Good.
For example, my last film, for example, I promise with community in Kalimantan, but they never have money. Never. To invited me. Then I come alone there, and then I make the workshop. Then I looking sponsor, and I put, why not we make 7 days for the workshop with small money,
Okay. Okay.
with all the community in Kalimantan, Borneo, and it has happened and become a feature film in one of the OTT with the small money.
Okay. So there are opportunities everywhere if you look, right?
Yeah, if yeah, it's difficult, but I always say that creativity is always come from limitation. Small thing, like you born from the womb of the mother, and crying and sick like that is only part of the newborn, you know. Yeah. If I come to Papua, I always do like that. Many people know very well. I come to Papua like that with my own money, and then I looking for the story, and then put everyone, can you help me to do that, to do that, to do that, like that, you know. But I know that the film like that, you cannot get the big money.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And the everything alternative, the money is also alternative. It's not big money.
Alternative money.
Alternative money, ya kan? But pop culture or mass culture is always big. It's just the consequence you choose, you know. That's why now I am teaching into university, but free time, yeah. I can only 2 times come or 3 times come in Jogja, in Padang, in Solo, in several cities, and mentoring several community in Indonesia. With the mentoring, I can research for my material.
Okay. Good. Well, I guess that's it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you will.
It's